We get a lot of questions regarding ExpressVPN coupons and requests to access a free trial, so that's what we'll be showing today. Let's start with how you can access their free trial. Every plan has a 100% 30-day money-back guarantee, which allows you to use the service for a month to see if you think it's worth paying for their service. If you're unhappy, you can simply cancel the service and request a full refund. As easy as that. They have a 24/7 live chat support that can easily assist you with this. It's not exactly a free trial, but if you think about it, this money-back guarantee works exactly like that. Now, ExpressVPN has some awesome deals, but you have to do a lot to find them. In fact, you can see a deal right on your screen that offers 3 extra months of service for free. This is incredible value for a VPN and a deal that we don't see very often. As you can see, without the coupon, you'll have to pay the retail price for Express without a single month free. Without the coupon, you'll pay $8.32 per month when committing to a year of service. And that's really not a bad price for this level of security, fast servers, and all other extra features that you'll be getting. But with our coupon deal, you'll get an extra 3 months of service for free and bring your price down to just $6.67 per month, which is a much better deal. If you've seen our review of ExpressVPN, you know that this VPN has super fast servers, lowers ping and lag for gamers, streams almost any platform, and even makes torrenting safe and secure. With 3 months free, ExpressVPN is an even better deal. We've left the coupon link in the description below, so you can access both the coupon and, of course, the trial link as well. I've added some ExpressVPN reviews and setup guides as well, so be sure to check them out.